Thank you, Mr. Chair. Marami nga po tayong naobserbahan na you use the term inconsistencies, but I would like to be more direct. Kasinungalingan po talaga. At lantarang kasinungalingan naman po yung mga sinasabi nito. Hindi naman po bago sa kanila ang pagsisinungaling. Naobserbahan na po natin ito on the record and in public very many times. Sabi nga, dito sa kaso na ito, ang sinungaling ay asawa ng magnanakaw.
Good day. Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto is raising doubts about the credibility of contractors Sarah and Curlee Discaya. The couple claimed they only earned 2 to 3% from each government project. But according to Sotto, their own statements and assets tell a different story. Records show the Discayas handled at least 100 billion pesos worth of flood control projects through multiple companies, some suspected to be dummy firms. Yet, despite their claim of small profits, they openly admitted to owning assets in the billions, including a single jade piece valued at 100 million pesos. Sotto points out the contradiction. 2 to 3% profit from 100 billion would only be around 2 to 3 billion pesos, far from the wealth the Discayas boast about. He warns lawmakers and the public to remain critical and not to be swayed by emotional tactics or unverified testimonies. Once again, this is Handa Ka Na Ba? If you found this report useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.